Today we're going to assemble a gray nightstand. First, let's screw all 24 of the long screws into the wooden boards. Step 2. Assemble the drawer, slide the bottom panel into the groove, and secure the wooden panels with the round clips. Install drawer slides and handles. Step 3. Assemble the drawer cabinet. Start by installing the other half of the drawer slides. Note: do not tighten the screws in these two places yet, as you will need to install the round clips first. After securing the circular clips on the cabinet panels, tighten the screws on the slide rails. Finally, we assembled the cabinet legs, unscrewed the screws from the metal brackets first, and then assembled the brackets. Use screws to secure the metal legs to the cabinet. Finally, insert the drawers and the assembly is complete.